Hello. Welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you a story about a mother. A mother who was called bad. But sometimes we don't understand love until it's too late. This story is called Bad Mummy. Let's begin. My name is Sophie. When I was a child, I thought my mother was a bad mother. She was always strict. She always said no. No phone. No going out. No staying up late. I felt angry. My friends had freedom. But I didn't. One day I shouted at her. "You are a bad mummy," I said. She stayed quiet. She didn't shout back. That made me even more angry. I went to my room and cried. Days passed, nothing changed. She was still strict, still quiet. One night I came home late. She was waiting. "Where were you?" she asked. "Why do you care?" I said. "I'm not a child." She looked at me. Her eyes were tired. "I care because I love you," she said. But I didn't listen. I rolled my eyes. "You don't understand me," I said. Then I walked away. That night I heard something. A soft sound. I opened my door. I saw my mother, sitting alone. She was crying. I felt strange. I had never seen her cry before. The next day, I saw something on the table. It was a letter. I read it. "My dear Sophie," it said, "I'm sorry if I seem strict. I just want to protect you. I didn't have an easy life. I made many mistakes when I was young. I don't want you to suffer like me. My love may not be perfect, but it is real. Love, Mom." My hands were shaking. I didn't know. I never tried to understand her. That day, I saw her differently. Not as a bad mummy, but as a human. A woman with pain, a woman who loves me. That evening, I went to her. "Mom," I said softly. She looked at me. "I'm sorry," I said. Tears came to my eyes. "I didn't understand you." She smiled and hugged me. "It's okay," she said. "I understand you too." From that day, things changed. Not everything. She was still strict sometimes. But now, I understood why. My name is Sophie. And my mother was never a bad mummy. She was just a loving one. Thank you for listening. Sometimes love is not soft. Sometimes love is strict. But it is still love. Try to understand the people who care about you before it's too late. If you enjoy simple English stories, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next story.